Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best full-face helmets for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Favoto full-face motorcycle helmet. Right away, this helmet impresses with its dual visor design, allowing riders to switch between clear and tinted visors, making it ideal for both daytime and nighttime use. The inclusion of an anti-fog film ensures clarity in humid or rainy conditions, which is a thoughtful addition for riders who face diverse weather challenges. Add to that its DOT certification and high-strength ABS shell, paired with multi-density EPS foam, and it's clear that safety is a top priority here. The design of the Favoto helmet is sleek and modern, with a focus on comfort. The 3D molded removable liner is not only washable, but also contours to your face for a snug fit that minimizes pressure points. Ventilation is well thought out, with front chin vents, top airflow channels, and rear exhaust ports to keep you cool during long rides. However, at nearly 4.4 stars from over 500 ratings, some users noted that it might feel slightly heavier compared to other helmets in its price range. Overall, the Favoto full-face motorcycle helmet is a strong contender for those who value versatility and safety. While it doesn't have the lightest build, its robust features like the dual visor system and anti-fog film make it a great choice for beginners who want a reliable all-weather helmet. Just make sure to double-check the sizing for a perfect fit. At number 4, we have the JQF Gear full-face motorcycle helmet WS607. This helmet strikes a balance between affordability and performance, boasting DOT FMVSS 218 certification and a lightweight ABS shell with multi-density EPS material. It's equipped with a quick-release chin strap for convenience, making it easy to put on and take off. Riders can choose between clear and tinted visor options, depending on their style and preferences. The ventilation system is one of the highlights of this helmet, ensuring proper airflow for both summer and winter rides. The removable and washable liner adds to the comfort, making it a practical choice for those who ride frequently. In terms of design, the helmet is available in multiple color options, including the visually striking cube pattern. However, some users noted that the sizing runs a bit small, so it's crucial to measure your head circumference before purchasing. Priced in the mid-range, the JQF Gear WS607 is ideal for beginners who want a durable and stylish helmet that doesn't break the bank. It's slightly heavier than some competitors, but the added safety features and customizable visor options make this a solid pick for those starting their riding journey. Coming in at number 3 is the Sand King Motocross helmet, a versatile option for those dipping their toes into various riding disciplines. This helmet is DOT certified and meets FMVSS 218 safety standards, ensuring peace of mind for users. It features a high-strength ABS shell and an aerodynamic design that reduces wind noise and drag, making it perfect for off-road adventures. The removable visor is adjustable, which is great for keeping the sun out of your eyes on sunny days. The interior of the helmet is lined with expanded polystyrene EPS foam for comfort and impact absorption. The fully removable and washable lining ensures that your helmet stays fresh even after intense rides. The design is eye-catching with its vibrant red color and modern graphics, which will appeal to riders who want to stand out. However, at 2.1 pounds, some users might find it slightly heavier for extended use. What sets the Sand King helmet apart is its versatility. Whether you're riding a dirt bike, an HEV, or even skiing, this helmet is designed to handle it all. It's an excellent choice for beginners who want a multi-purpose helmet that doesn't skimp on safety or style. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Mongoose Tidal full-face helmet. Designed specifically for BMX and downhill riding, this helmet is built for riders who want to push their limits. It features a durable ABS shell paired with a lightweight EPS foam core, ensuring maximum impact resistance without adding unnecessary weight. The full coverage interior padding is removable and washable, which is a bonus for long-term use. With 10 integrated air vents, this helmet provides excellent ventilation to keep you cool during intense rides. The pivoting visor adds a layer of practicality, shielding your eyes from the elements while improving visibility. It complies with both US CPSC and ASTM F1952 standards, making it one of the safest options on this list. However, it's worth noting that this helmet is primarily designed for youth riders, so it may not fit adult beginners as comfortably. The Mongoose title is the most expensive helmet on our list, but its premium features and brand reputation justify the price. For BMX and downhill enthusiasts, this helmet is a fantastic investment that combines safety, comfort, and performance in a sleek package. Finally, at number 1, we have the United Podium full-face bicycle helmet. This helmet is a top pick for good reason. It combines affordability, comfort, and safety in a lightweight package. With a tough injection-molded thermal alloy resin polycarbonate shell and an EPS foam liner, it offers excellent protection for beginner cyclists. The helmet is surprisingly lightweight at just 2.2 pounds, making it a comfortable choice for extended rides. The 13 strategically placed air vents ensure optimal airflow, keeping your head cool even during intense biking sessions. The interior liner is removable and washable, which makes maintenance a breeze. Unlike some other helmets, the sizing runs small, so it's crucial to measure your head and refer to the size chart for an accurate fit. Despite this minor inconvenience, at the end of our coverage, we have the United Podium full-face bicycle helmet. The 13 strategically placed air vents ensure optimal airflow, keeping your head cool even during intense biking sessions. The interior liner is removable and washable, which makes maintenance a breeze. Unlike some other helmets, the sizing runs small, so it's crucial to measure your head and refer to the size chart for an accurate fit. The helmet's build quality and included storage bag make it a fantastic value at just $84.49. Overall, the United Podium full-face bicycle helmet is a phenomenal choice for beginners who want a reliable and budget-friendly option. With its combination of lightweight design, durability, and thoughtful features, it earns the top spot on our list. The United Podium full-face bicycle helmet is a phenomenal choice for beginners who want a reliable and budget-friendly option. The helmet's build quality and included storage bag make it a fantastic value at just $84.49. Overall, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.